You know this issue, me too. Let me show you how to fix this. Let's go! So the media offline error in DaVinci Resolve means that the media path or the media name was changed or deleted. So DaVinci cannot find the media on the path you imported the footage onto your computer. So to give you an example, these are my clips from my audio muffle tutorial and I imported them from this folder into DaVinci Resolve. If I, for example, change the name of this one to 12 and locate this one into another folder, for example, you will now notice it's now offline. You can still see it because now you see the proxy video I created for this footage, but when you want to export it, you won't be able to export it because the original files are missing. So as you can see, when I want to export the video, you can't export because there are missing media. To relink your media, just go to this symbol, relink media, and now just locate your video files inside your Finder. So in my case, the one file is in a new folder I created and the other file is the renamed file. And as you can see, one is still missing. So we now relinked the video file in the new folder, but the other one is still missing. So because we renamed the footage, one way would be to drag the footage with the new name into DaVinci and delete the old one. Or I find this the much faster way, but of course you could also right click on the clip attributes, go to the name, copy the name, go to your folder and paste the name there. Make sure to do not copy the MP4 twice, so the name is as in the beginning and then it will refresh by itself and the clip is back there. So to sum it up, if you change the name of a clip and you already imported it into your project, it will be offline, and also if you move a video clip after you imported it into the project, it will also be offline. But it's not a big deal, just go to relink and relink your media. And that's it. Go! If you want my studio LUTs, check out this link. Thanks for watching, see you on the next one. Like and follow if you want to learn video editing fast.